Question 4. The sixth term of an arithmetic sequence is 28, and the 11th term is 51. What is the fourth term of the sequence? Okay, so first thing, remember what an arithmetic sequence is, right? We begin with some number a1, which is the first term of the sequence. We add some value r, and that's going to give us our second term, a2. The third term would then be a2 plus r again to get a3. So an example would be 1, 2, 3. In this case, r is equal to 1, right? Because you start out with a1, add 1 to it, you get a2, add 1 to it, you get a3. 3, 6, 9 could also be an arithmetic sequence where r is equal to 3. So for instance, you start out with 3, add 3, you get 6, it goes a2, and then add another 3, and you get 9. So this is an arithmetic sequence. Now we're trying to figure out where our sixth term, a6, is equal to 28, and our 11th term in this sequence is 51. Okay, now we're trying to figure out what the fourth term, a4, is. Alright, so before we can get any farther, we're going to have to figure out what our r for this sequence is. So how are we going to do that? Well, if we can say that a11 minus a10 equals r, right? And a10 minus a9 equals r. So by that logic, we can say that a11 minus a9 is equal to 2r. And now we're going to take this and stretch it all the way back to a6. So we can say a11 minus a6 is going to equal 5r, right? Because you take r, you add it once to a6 and you get a7, and then a8, a9, a10, a11. All right, so we have a11, that's 51, minus a6, that's 28. We know that equals 5r. So let's just solve with some algebra here. And what that gives us 23 equals 5r. Divide 23 by 5, and we're going to get 4.6 is equal to r. Okay, now we have our r. Now we need to figure out a4. Well, we're going to use the same process that we used over here to figure out a4 using a6. So we can say a6 minus, that counts to get 9, right? a6 minus a4 is going to equal, that'll be 2r. So a6 is 28 minus a4 equals 2 times 4.6, which is going to be 9.2. And now we rearrange a little bit and we find that a4 is equal to 18.8. And that is answer C.